Hey everyone, welcome back to another Maya tutorial. So today we're going to be texturing the axe that we created in the last video. This axe right here. All I changed was I made this a bit wider because it was spazzing out with that right there. And made this a bit thinner and made it two separate pieces. So let's go to File, Export All, and call this axe and just overwrite my other one. And then go into Substance Painter here and we're going to create a new project. And select the axe and make it 2K resolution and just click OK. And now we have the axe. And as you can see, we have two blends that we created when we had UV mapped it from before. So if I draw on the split one, it only draws on the handle, or I mean not the handle, the blade. And if we hadn't UV mapped this, we would draw right there and it would go all over the place. And if we press F3, we can see that texture and that one in 2D mode, which is just the UV map. So we want to have a nicer metal than the ones they come with. So let's search up metal. You can go to actually substance share and then click the first link. And then let's type in metal and look for a nice metal. Let's see. Not really seeing anything in any of these. Maybe, that won't look good. That one right there. Let's get that like first one. I think it was. There you go. T800 from Terminator or something. Yeah, it is. All right, so let's just download this and open it up, or actually show in folder, and wherever it is, I'm gonna just drag that into JazzBlues and NBR News so I can find it easier. And then go to here, or no, not here, Substance Painter, and we're going to put that in. So let's go to File, Import Resources, Add Resources, and look to wherever this one's saved as. Let's see, dots. What was it saved? What was it called, I mean? We're going to download that. T800, okay. Oh my god. So T800, there we go. .SPSM, or SPSM is a smart material, as you can see, and we're going to put it into current session. And a smart material is basically a material with multiple layers. And import that in. Now we have our T800 metal, and we're going to make sure we have blend 1 selected, and we're just going to drag that on there. So it has a nice, there we go, T800 metal. It's our blade right there. And now we're actually going to go and just use this wood walnut because it's pretty good actually. We're going to use it for our handle. Just drag that on. And then this is very simply, since this is a simple tutorial for low poly, we now have our axe that is textured. And what happened over here? This looks like some errors with our really bad UV mapping. You can fix this by UV mapping it better and like doing the seams. But this is a simple tutorial and we're not going to be doing the end. It's low poly, so we're not going to really. Usually low poly things don't have textures on them. They usually have like a full just blue and black and green. Anyways, we can render this now. Let's say we want to render it so I can use it for, let's say, the thumbnail. We go to render or iRay, and I have a separate tutorial on how to do this on one of my previous videos. But let's get a different environment map. Maybe just a simple studio. Alright. Kind of like that. And we're going to render it basically. And once it's done rendering, I'll save it using this right here. And I'll be able to have that. So let's call this, let's make it a JPEG and call it axe. Alright, yeah, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe. That was how to texture very simply.